Choose a job you love, and you will never have to work a day in your life. This well known quote by Confucius reminds us that career satisfaction often stems from aligning your skills with the roles that excite us. Agile project management offers diverse career paths, from guiding teams as a Scrum Master to driving strategy as a product owner or coaching organizations as an Agile coach. In this lecture, we will explore these roles, their responsibilities, and how industries adopting Agile shape their unique demands for these positions. In this lecture, you will understand key roles in Agile project management, Scrum Master, Agile Coach, and Product Owner. Learn about industries adopting Agile and their specific needs. Gain insights into how these roles align with different career aspirations and skills. The Scrum Master is often referred to as the servant leader of the Agile team. Their primary role is to facilitate Scrum events, remove impediments, and ensure the team adheres to Agile principles. Organizing and moderating Scrum ceremonies such as stand ups, sprint reviews, and retrospectives. Coaching the team on Agile practices to enhance collaboration and efficiency. Shielding the team from distractions to maintain focus on sprint goals. Scrum Masters thrive in industries where team alignment and rapid delivery are critical. For example, in software development, a Scrum Master might help a team deliver iterative updates to a mobile app. Companies in finance, healthcare, and even marketing are now leveraging Scrum Masters to streamline their workflows. The Agile Coach operates at a broader level, focusing on embedding Agile practices across teams or even entire organizations. They mentor leaders, align multiple teams, and foster a culture of continuous improvement. Educating teams and leadership on Agile principles and methodologies. Guiding large scale transformations to adopt frameworks like SAFe or LESS. Facilitating workshops and retrospectives to address systematic challenges. This role is in high demand in industries undergoing large scale transformations. For instance, an Agile coach might work with legacy manufacturing company transitioning to Agile practices to improve production timelines. Agile coaches play a vital role in distributed organizations managing teams across geographies. The product owner represents the voice of the customer, ensuring the team delivers maximum value. They own the product backlog, prioritize tasks, and align the team's efforts with organization's strategic goals. Defining and communicating the product vision to the team and stakeholders, prioritizing backlog items based on customer needs and business value, collaborating with stakeholders to gather feedback and refine requirements. Product owners are integral to industries where customer centric innovation is critical. In e commerce, for example, a product owner might lead efforts to optimize a website's checkpoint process. They are also in demand in sectors like technology, retail, and entertainment, where user experience drives success. Agile is no longer confined to software development. It is transforming how diverse industries approach work. Technology. Agile roles are essential for delivering software updates, managing cloud service, and innovating AI driven solutions. Healthcare. Agile is used to streamline research, regulatory approvals, and patient care delivery systems. Finance. Banks and fintech companies use Agile to develop digital banking platforms and manage compliance projects. Marketing. Agile frameworks like Kanban help marketing teams plan campaigns and adapt to changing marketing demands. Each industry tailors Agile roles to address its specific challenges, creating opportunities for professionals to leverage their expertise in unique contexts. Think of Agile roles as conductors in an orchestra. The Scrum Master is like the section conductor, ensuring the violinist or brass players stay in sync. The Agile Coach is the overall conductor, harmonizing the entire orchestra to achieve the symphony's vision. The product owner is the composer, writing the music and defining the story the orchestra will bring to life. Moral of the story? Every agile role is essential, but the magic happens when they work together, balancing autonomy and alignment to deliver something extraordinary. Research one industry adopting agile, for example, technology, healthcare, or marketing, and analyze how Agile roles like Scrum Master, Agile Coach, or Product Owner are applied. Write a brief report highlighting the unique challenges these roles address in that industry. Let's discuss how Agile roles adapt across industries and explore how these insights could shape your own career path. Agile project management offers dynamic career paths tailored to diverse skills and aspirations. Whether you're drawn to team facilitation as a Scrum Master, strategic leadership as an Agile coach, or customer focused innovation as a product owner, there is a role that fits your strengths. As industries continue to adopt Agile, the demand for these roles grows, creating exciting opportunities for career growth. Remember, success in Agile isn't just about mastering methodologies, it's about aligning your passion with the role that inspires you.